Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to address guidelines to get an internship and I'm going to address these topics. What does internship mean? What are the types? How to approach them? What are the websites and additional tips and my work experience? What does internship mean? It is a short-term work experience offered by the companies or organizations for students and entry-level graduates. Mainly interns focus on projects, their communication skills and soft skills and hard skills to enhance their subject knowledge also. And the period of the internship vary between 1 week to 1 year at most. Types of internship. The first one, paid internship. In this internship, you will get the stipend, certificate and more exposure to the subject and knowledge, and you will have a great network after the completion of the subject. And if you perform well, you have chances to get pre-placement offer. And for these kind of internships, you should have good resume and good subject knowledge also. Whereas the unpaid one, the basic resume is enough, you will not get the stipend, but the remaining things are the same. You will have more work exposure, great knowledge, and even your network will be much more increased. Internship program. This is not an internship, but the name itself sounds like that. In this program, you have to pay certain amount to the organization or company, as they offer you both theoretical and practical knowledge. That is nothing but they give you hands-on experience to the industrial development. You will get two certificates. One is for course and another one is for projects. And they will make you ready for the internship. That's it. But it is not a waste thing. It is also a good thing to learn how to approach for the unpaid internship. Whereas for the paid one, we will discuss it later. I am going to address some companies or organizations which are definitely useful for the unpaid one, because you will get much more work experience and exposure to the subject. So the first one is Devinsep. Personally, I recommend you guys because I have done an internship and also a course here. So the procedure to get an internship in Devinsep is simple. First, you have to enroll for any course. There are so many courses like Python, natural language processing, OpenCV, many more. You can check out their website. So after you enroll for the course, you have to perform well. If your performance is well, they will offer you an internship, and you will also do a group project at the end of the course. One is Vidya. Even I have done an internship at Vidya also. I recommend you guys. In Vidya, there are two internships. One is for summer, that is called internship. One is in winter, that is called internship. The remaining two websites are completely different, because the first two websites, that we have to fill the Google form, and based on your responses we may get selected or not. Whereas for the last two, you can directly enroll into the course and you can do their assignments and you can complete within the timeline and you will get your certificate. In that, first one is Inside Sherpa. You can also do internships related to the banking, finance and cyber security, from additional to the technology related. And the last one is Suven Consultants. You can directly enroll into their course and you can complete the internship and you can get your certificate. These are some organizations which are useful for unpaid ones. And the next topic is, what are the websites for all kind of internships to apply at one destination? Yes, they exist. The list: Let's Intern, StuMax, 2019. And also there are some apps called Avign app, Amigos app. In Amigos you can also create your own resume, and also for the resume part you can check out Novo Resume website, which is a free website to make a resume. And the last two are known for everyone. Those are nothing but LinkedIn and Internshala. List of things which I have discussed, websites or apps. You can also get internships related to your passion or hobbies also. So check out all those websites and links. For the paid one, you can directly check out each company careers blog and you can apply them. Or else if you can't, you can directly check out the Instagram page called InternBit. Coming to additional tips, these tips definitely add much more weightage to your resume. First one, attend boot camps and also the webinars conducted by websites like Internshala, LinkedIn, Coding Ninjas. and also attend workshops like recently conducted by Microsoft, and also the latest one is Google DSC. These are some important basic guidelines to get an internship. There are much more, but these are the basic ones. And I want to discuss my work experience. If you are interested, you can continue watching this video, or else you can just skip this part. First one, Davidson. I have done both machine learning and Python course, and I have performed well, so they have offered me the Python internship and also the Python mentorship. And whereas for the second one is Vidya, I have done machine learning internship. In that I have covered 3 projects. First one is COVID-19 analysis, flight delay prediction, and Instagram reach. It is a great experience to work with those organizations because I have enhanced my working experience and also my exposure to the knowledge, and I can happily announce that I am also a community member of Devincept and Vidya. That's it guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also share this video to your friends to get the knowledge on internship. Thanks for the watching.